Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to format your text in Gmail with different color, different text background as far as your Gmail tips and tricks is concerned. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Compose tab. And then having opened up your Compose tab, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and enter your recipient. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this recipient. And this is just going to be example mail. Okay, now once you enter your subject, come to the body of the mail right here. I'm going to paste, right click and paste a text right here. Now, this particular text right here, I can give you the different kind of format as the case may be. Now, for instance, this particular deep topic, I can easily highlight it this way. Now, I can change the background color of this text right here. So for that, I'll simply click on text color right here. So you have background color and then you have normal text color. Okay. So I can decide to make this a kind of deep yellow background color. Now, if I bring out my mouse, you see that this is now on the yellow background color text. Now, let's say, for instance, this particular subject again, I'm going to highlight. So I can decide to come back to color right here, and I can decide to make this type of color right here. And you can see now this is in another background color as you can see. I can highlight again. Then this time around, I can change the text color of this. So for that, we want to come in right here. I want to make sure we switch to the text color right here. So this time around, I can change the text color to yellow, and just like so, we have a text color to be yellow right here. If you are not satisfied with that, highlight again, then come back to this particular point right here. So this time around, I can decide to make it a pure white text color. Just like so, and we have it right here. So you can go on and like highlight different parts of the text. Let's say I want to work on this graph right here. So I light on it, I can decide to make it bold, just like so. I can also decide to make the first letter here cap. So for that, just backspace and press shift key on your keyboard and press G, and then you have it on graph right here. So we want to make sure I light everything and then go ahead and hit on bold again, then we have the text bold right here. So you can go on and do different kind of formatting right here with your text. You can also underline some of the text right here. So for that, let's say for instance we want to underline interest level right here. Highlight on it first. Once you highlight, then come down below right here, hit on this right here, or you press Ctrl V, and you have it to be underlined. We want to use our strike through on the text. We want to make sure we can decide to make this illustrates right here a strike through and bold. For that, make sure you highlight first. Go ahead and choose bold, or you press Ctrl V. You can see click on bold. Once it becomes bold, how can we strike through? So for that, go ahead and click on here, and then you want to make sure you choose strike through right here. Boom, and you have it on the text right here. Then go on and work with different rules as far as this is concerned. So you want to make this particular FA here, you can simply format it. You can come to the size of the text right here. We can decide to make it large, normal, bold, as the case may be. If I choose bold right here, you see that the only text that was selected was the one that become more bigger right here, and it does not affect the sentence of the mail. So I can decide to make it bold as the case may be. So you can go on and edit different parts of the text as far as Gmail is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Gmail app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.